What's up, everybody? Arty 84 here, Wicked Explorers. Today is Marathon. What's going on, everybody? Arty 84 here, Wicked Explorers. New episode. Today is Marathon Monday here in Boston, and we are going downtown Boston to go to see the Red Sox play their 11 o'clock annual marathon game, and we're going to go see the marathon, see the racetrack, see all that stuff. So come along, will you? I'm sure you will. Bose Building. Newest edition of Haymarket. We'll check that out later. Smells around here when I worked there. Right there.
Never leave early. This team's pissing me off.
Why?
They suck. Worse than the 2012 September team.
That's how you really feel when people run marathons.
Hey, they're running. Let's cheer them. They're running. Jesus.
Alright, so that was this episode of Wicked Explorers. This is the Boston Marathon. Today, Marathon Monday in Boston. The Boston Red Sox game where they lost to the Baltimore Orioles. Hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, if you like what you see, please subscribe on our YouTube page. Like us on Instagram, TWE Explorers. Like us on Facebook, TWE Explorers, or the Wicked Explorers, whatever's easier, on Twitter, and all that stuff. So thank you for watching, and we appreciate it. See you guys soon. Bye! The Wicked Explorers of Arty 84 and Suzi J is brought to you by thepacky.com. Check out thepacky.com.